Students, today we shall be learning about the chemical properties of benzene. So we all know that benzene is an aromatic compound. So in this video I shall be discussing only the chemical properties along with the reactions only. So I will not be writing any theory part over here. So just see the reactions, how they are happening. So now let us start with the benzene. So this is the structure of benzene, and you all know that its chemical formula is C6H6. So now let us start with the first property, that is the nitration. So this reaction occurs in the presence of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, and when this mixture is heated it leads to formation of nitrobenzene. So there is an addition of a nitro group on the first position, and this compound is known as nitrobenzene. So you can see here, this is the nitrobenzene. The next reaction is the sulfonation reaction that takes place in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, and this is heated to form benzene sulfonic acid. So addition of an SO3H group on the first position known as benzene sulfonic acid. So here SO3H is added and this compound is known as benzene sulfonic acid. The third reaction is the halogenation reaction, in which an halogen is added in presence of either anhydrous aluminum chloride or anhydrous FeCl3, and this leads to formation of an halide of benzene known as chlorobenzene. So you can see in this reaction there is a formation of chlorobenzene. The chlorine or the halogen is added on the first position and this is known as chlorobenzene. The fourth property is the alkylation. So in this, an alkyl halide such as methyl chloride is added and the mixture is heated together to form an alkyl compound of benzene known as toluene. So here you can see the addition of methyl group at the first position of benzene. This leads to formation of toluene. The next property is the acylation reaction. In the acylation, an acyl chloride or an acyl halide is added, which leads to formation of ketone. This is also known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, and acetophenone is formed in this. So you can see at the first position there is an formation of ketone that leads to formation of acetophenone. Now this is an acetophenone. Or 1-phenylethanone. The next property is the hydrogenation reaction. In this reaction, the benzene is hydrogenated in presence of hydrogen gas and finely powdered nickel or platinum that is acting as a catalyst, and this leads to formation of cyclohexane. So you can see all the double bonds are removed and this leads to formation of cyclohexane here. Now the next property is the combustion reaction. Now in the combustion reaction, you can see when benzene is heated in presence of oxygen, this leads to formation of carbon dioxide and water. So I am writing over here the balanced equation of this. 12 molecules of carbon dioxide are formed along with 6 molecules of water. So this is the end product of combustion. You can see over here, this is the end product of combustion. The last reaction is chlorination in presence of sunlight or UV radiation. So in this, the 6 chlorine molecules will be added at every carbon. So that means each chlorine atom at each carbon atom will be added, and this leads to formation of a compound known as BHC or benzene hexachloride. So let us see how benzene hexachloride is formed. You can see the 6 chlorine molecules will be added, such as each chlorine atom at each carbon position. So this is benzene hexachloride. So you can clearly see now these are the reactions of benzene and how these are reacted to form all these chemical compounds. So I hope now you can easily attempt the question of chemical properties of benzene.